Here coming are these two items, impact wrench and impact screwdriver. These two items have many similar advantages. First, its compact body design, soft grip, and non-slip handle. High-quality housing case makes the item anti-shock and anti-fall. High stress block, output shaft. It's reliable and durable. Make sure the motor self-torque output stably. All-around cooling system design have to dissipate heat fast, steadily, and sincerely. Reverse button, battery indicator, LED light, various speed triangle. Makes this machine max torture up to 19 Nm within 5 seconds. These two items have some difference between here. The impact driver with the 1/4 inch chunk. Normally it used to unscrew the fixed or rusty screws. Simple drilling. The impact wrench with a 3/8 inch driver. It is used to fasten the bolts and nuts.